Our top 3 ways to have team unity. So we're talking about unity, where a team loves being together, where a team works well together, where it's a great environment in a team. So our top 3 ways to have team unity, you get us kicked off.
Okay, I think the first way that to have unity is to have a common goal.
Definitely.
So making sure that as a team, you're actually working together towards the same thing. Sometimes the downfall of a team, or the reason they don't have unity, is they all have different things in mind of what they want to get out of the team. But having that common goal, having that same thing that they're going to work towards, is a great way that the team will then work together, knowing that that's all their intentions. They all want to get the same thing out of it, and they can work towards it. So that's the first way that your team can have unity. What's the second way?
Second thing for unity is trust. I'll leave it as a simple word like that without having to put it in a sentence. The word trust. So in the context of a team, that is me trusting other people who are in the team, and is me knowing that other people are trusting me. Like understanding the gravity and the importance of that. Oh my goodness, other people are trusting me. But when you achieve that, when you realize that trust is an important tool for a team, when it's something that comes to life in a team and that you freely give it and you don't have to nervously give it, my goodness, you have amazing unity within a team. So I encourage every team to focus on trust of each other. And when you trust individuals, that magnifies to be a team that has unity.
Yeah, great. And the third thing that you can do to make sure your team has unity is serve others. Now, sometimes in leadership, we forget what the purpose of it is. We forget that, leadership is about serving the people around you. And a great way that you can have unity, we've talked about having that common goal. We've talked about having trust. But sometimes it takes us serving others and putting their ideas in front of our own.
That's it. Sitting in a team environment and not just thinking about what our team does outside of our team, realizing that I, as a member of that team, can serve people in my team, can make them love being in our team, can make them feel valued within our team.
And having that common goal, sometimes I know that our heads clash over, different people clash over having that common goal. And a great way that you can serve others is saying, I think that this should be the goal of the team, but for the sake of this team moving forward, let's go with your idea.
Absolutely.
And then wholeheartedly serving the idea, wholeheartedly getting behind it, and making sure that you're there to help the other members of the team. So that's the third way to make sure your team has unity. Make sure that you're serving the people in the team and also the needs of the team.
Absolutely.
This segment is from an episode of the Student Leadership News Podcast. To listen to the full episode, go to studentleadership.news or subscribe using your favourite podcast app.